Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify buffer scheduling with posting history, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Buffer account. Navigate to the Buffer dashboard where you manage your scheduled posts. Locate the Queue section to view your current posting schedule. Select the specific social media profile you want to check. Look for the option labeled Posting History in the menu. Click on Posting History to access a detailed list of your previous posts. Review the dates and times listed to ensure they align with your intended schedule. Check for any discrepancies or missed posts that may indicate issues. If discrepancies are found, return to the Queue section. Check the buffer settings for this profile to confirm your scheduling preferences. Ensure that the time zone is set correctly so your posts are scheduled as intended. Verify if any posts were paused or if any errors were logged during the posting process. Utilize Buffer's analytics features to assess the performance of recent posts. Compare the engagement metrics with your expectations based on the posting schedule. If everything appears correct but issues persist, try reauthorizing the connected social media accounts. After making any necessary adjustments, monitor your scheduling over the next few days. This proactive approach will help you maintain an effective posting strategy with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.